Primetime news this evening. Jamaicans still reeling from impact of today's 5.3 magnitude earthquake. Don't blame us. Residents of Havana Heights in Clarendon clear the air about association with mass shooting in Cherry Tree Lane. And opposition blasts government over response to Cherry Tree Lane massacre.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and those online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Kalisha Williams with a preview of what's to come in the financial week. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Kalisha, this evening we're talking all about urban centers. Ground has been broken for one in Portland and the timeline shifted for the one in St. Thomas. You want to stick around for the financial week for all those details.
And Spencer Darlington is here to tell us how things are shifting in the cricket match between the West Indies and South Africa. Spencer.
Thank you very much, Gio. Well, the West Indies are on the back foot after day 2 of that second and final test against South Africa. We'll give you the details in Primetime Sports later.
Thanks, Spencer. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, how did you react when the 5.3 magnitude earthquake jolted sections of the country?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.